Hello everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Scentsy content. In this video, I would like to share a Scentsy clearance haul with you. Scentsy had a flash sale the other day, and I didn't do a video for it, but I did update the discussions tab on my page, so if ever you're wondering what's the latest news with Scentsy, I usually have something posted there for you to see. And I will link my website so that if you see anything in this haul that you're interested in, you can go to my website and make a purchase. And of course, if you have any questions about anything, please ask me. But without further ado, let's jump in because I actually have 3 boxes. I've unboxed 1 box, but the other 2 are still boxed. So let's just start with what I picked up for clearance first, because the flash sale wasn't, I'm in love with wax, okay? I'm a wax addict. I'm completely addicted to home fragrance and wax. So I was really hoping to see more wax products, but I will say that Scentsy brought back some beautiful warmers that, and one of which I really, really love, called the Illuminate Warmer. And I believe this was a warmer of the month. Maybe it was January 2019, I believe. But this warmer actually ended up selling out. I was going back and forth, like, should I get it? I really don't need another warmer, and it is a bit flashy. But I knew as soon as I saw it in the clearance section, I was getting it. Yeah, absolutely. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's really, really pretty too. Just take it out of the packaging. Okay, so this is the warmer. Oh my gosh, it is stunning. And when the light is lit in this, the bulb looks like a disco ball. This is very now I love anything sparkly or reflective. I'm like a bird. I'm like, give me everything everything sparkly. I love it, and this does not disappoint. What wattage is this? Let me see if they gave me. Okay, 25 watt bulb. Let me go ahead and sit the dish inside. Okay, here's the dish. Yeah, I like this. It's very sparkly. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I just adore this. Now, probably not in my bedroom, just because I like some light in the bedroom, not a lot though. Like in the bedroom with me. So if a light keeps you on at night, but you want warmers in your bedroom, there are some other options that are available. You could do an element warmer, which don't have bulbs. They have like a heating element inside the warmer or something like that. Or maybe like, oh, there's another warmer that I got too that I actually have in my bedroom that is actually really perfect for the bedroom. This is by the Candlelight, and you guys, I love this warmer. Okay, so I have one of these in my bedroom, and I actually use the other one for when I travel. Yes, I'm a total home fragrance junkie, and when I travel, I do take my home fragrance on the road with me. And the reason I like this one for on the road is because it is actually plastic. But when this is lit, it looks like one of those flicker candles, just very golden, like candlelight. And it is an element warmer. See, it's got the heating element here, and the throw is decent on this as well. Now it is a little bit lightweight, so don't have this in a place where animals or children could easily knock it over. But here's the dish. It's like a frosted glass, and it just sits in there, and it just looks like one of those you know, fake candles, electric candles, but it flickers a golden light. So I needed another one. This is currently in the clearance section, and so is the Illuminate Warmer. If you guys are interested in any of those, at least when I'm filming this video, they are still available. So let me just a second. Okay, I'm back. All right, so the next box is, oh yay, this is my sweet plum pastry. Okay, so I got 13 bars of sweet plum pastry right there. I'm so excited. This is like one of my new favorite scents. It is absolutely delicious, comforting, sweet, and it's this plum colored wax. And oh my gosh, you guys, this smells like a pastry or like a pie baking. Like the scent notes are, I think, black plum, marshmallow clouds. I think that's it. But it smells like, and I'm not normally a fan of plum, but this, I really like it. So I'm thinking that there's plum, but there's probably another berry in here too. And I'm not sure. It's just sweet and delicious. Like maybe like a blueberry or something like that. But it's delicious. It's wonderful. And that's why I've ordered so many bars. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh, I can't stop smelling it. And I literally will take this out once it's not smelling anymore. After like 2 days, it becomes too light for me. And I want to put it right back in the warmers. Like, it smells just delicious. And I love Scentsy. Most of their scents are so authentic. Like, this literally smells like a baking blueberry or plum pie. Like, it's so delicious. I love this. And as this is warming, you don't lose the sweetness or anything. It's wonderful, obviously. So let me stop gushing about that. I also picked up more Black Raspberry Vanilla Laundry Liquid. Completely obsessed. This is my favorite laundry scent. I have only tried 2 though. I tried Shimmer, which was just way too light for me in laundry. It was just, I really couldn't smell it. But the Black Raspberry Vanilla, oh my gosh. Everything smells so wonderful. I cannot get enough. So I will stay stocked on this. Yes, I love that stuff. Then I got more bars. Okay. So what's in this order? Ooh, okay. So I got 3 Arctic Kiss and the By the Candlelight Warmer, which I've already showed you. And I got Marshmallow Mint, Plum, and White Woods. Okay, so just more bars. And I'm kind of like cleaning these as I go. Usually I unbox everything and have everything cleaned off for you guys. But with 3 boxes, I was like, I'm not doing all that. I'm going to do it as I go. So, okay. So Arctic Kiss is currently the scent of the month. It is 10% off right now. And this smells like, oh my gosh. It's like a mint, like a cool mint with vanilla. Like the scent description is like vanilla, fluffy vanilla clouds and mint, but it's beautiful, you guys. And when this is warming, it smells like Pixie Sparkle. Like, Pixie Sparkle was the scent from the Fantasy Wax collection, and it smelled like a pixie stick. The candy, very, like, vanilla-y and sugary and sweet. And when this is warming, that's what this smells like, and I love it. It's in my Scentsy Club, and this is a scent of the month. So every month, Scentsy does a scent of the month, and a warmer of the month. So they're available while supplies last at 10% off. So once we're out of December, this may not be available anymore. It may be available. So pick up some if you like those scent notes, or add it to your Scentsy Club. So I got 3 bars of or 2. What I got? 2. Oh, I got another sweet plum pastry. I got one more bar of sweet plum pastry. And, ooh, yeah, vanilla oud. Okay. Vanilla oud. This is one of the Bring Back My bars, just like sweet plum pastry, that are only available while supplies last this month. But this is like vanilla and oud wood and I think suede. You guys, okay, so on cold, and when I smell this, I smell vanilla. And to me, this smells like a bar that Scentsy had called Breakfast Blend, which smelled like coffee. I get like a hint of coffee, but oh man, when this is warming, more of the vanilla comes out, because I warmed it in a very small space, so I really smelled the vanilla, and the oud wood was like very strong, and then the coffee note. But when I warmed this in the guest bedroom, oh, it was so vanilla-y and sweet and wood. That's what it smelled like, and it's delicious. So I'm glad I picked up another bar of this, and I've added this to my Scentsy club because I really, really like that one. And then I got, okay, here's my third bar of Plum and White Woods. I'm sorry, of Arctic Kiss and Plum and White Woods. And it is this purple colored wax. As you can see, I was stocking up on more Bring Back My bars because I have to stock up before they're gone back into retirement. But Plum and White Woods is beautiful, okay? This smells like Victoria's Secret's Love Spell. It's very similar to that, but add a sophisticated, like, soft woods note to it. That's what this smells like. Because Scentsy had a bar that's retired as well called Lucky in Love, which was almost identical to Love Spell. I mean, I couldn't smell the difference. But this smells like that, only a little bit less youthful. It's still got the youthful, but it's more sophisticated because of the white woods. It's really nice. I love this. This is also in my Scentsy club. Oh, I actually got 2 bars of those. Another bar of Plum and White Woods. And then a new favorite of mine, Marshmallow Mints. And it is this beautiful mint green wax, which I just love the color of this wax. But you guys, I need a moment. But seriously, I usually don't even like peppermint smells, mint smells. But this, the mint is very like muted because this scent is saturated in vanilla and butter, like a buttermint. You know, those pastel candies? That's what this smells like. Oh, and it is so rich and just beautiful. And I was warming this the other day because on cold, Peppermint Sugar Cookie by Bath & Body Works and this smell identical on cold. However, I was warming this downstairs, loving it, and I thought, well, let me go ahead and light my Peppermint Sugar Cookie candle to go with it. It's something about Bath & Body Works gourmand scents when they do bakery scents this year, last year. It takes on this buttery powdered note. It's like this artificial butter and powder. So that's what I got from Peppermint Sugar Cookie. And I don't like that artificial butter and powder note. I'm sorry if you guys love that candle. Because I love Bath & Body Works too. I shop Bath & Body Works, everything. Candles, everything. But when you light those candles, they lose it. They lose the sweetness. They turn into that artificial butter and powder. And I don't care for that. So I actually snuffed that candle out and just continued to warm Marshmallow Mint because this is the authentic scent right here. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is in my Scentsy club too. So I think that is all. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, you know that I'm praying for you and your families. So you know, if you come to my channel, you're getting prayer, okay? Whether I tell you that or not, but I do pray for you guys, and I love you guys, and I appreciate the support so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.